Watch this video and learn how to draw a tooth fairy. Wow!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie, and hello, little artists.
Yeah,
Are you in a good mood, Artie?
Artie in a very good mood.
Do you remember when your tooth fell out and the fairy came?
Yeah,
Well, let's draw the fairy.
okay. Artie make art. Okay.
That's right, we're going to make some art. We're going to draw your tooth fairy. This'll be fun.
Hello, little artists!
Hey kids, how's it going?
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
I get so happy when Artie is about to start. Don't you, Mikey?
I sure do, Betty.
Let's start by drawing our fairy's hair. We'll draw a spiral shape at the top of the page towards the left and then draw a large half circle around the spiral. Great job, Artie. Now, let's draw a curved line, a big one on the left, and then a smaller one coming from the end and connect to the half circle at the top. This is fun. Now let's continue around along the top and down the right side of our fairy's face. We'll add the left cheek, and then let's do the hairline going across the top of her forehead. Very good, Artie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's add some lines inside of her hair shape. That's going to make it look a little bit more like hair. A couple more curved lines. 1, 2. Let's draw her right cheek, Artie. Should we add her chin, Artie? Yeah. Come on then. Perfect. Now her head is complete. Let's add some eyes. This time, though, we're actually only going to draw her eyelashes. We're not going to draw eyes at all. And you'll see, it looks fabulous. Sometimes you don't need to draw the whole eye. You can just draw an eyebrow or an eyelash. Add just one eyebrow, Artie.
This looks great, but I can't tell what it is yet.
Time for a nice smiley mouth and a couple of cute little ears. There's the mouth. Let's add an ear on the right, Artie. And one on the left. I think her head is complete. Let's add a little body. Let's draw the left side of the neck, the left shoulder, and the left arm. Finish her neck and her right shoulder. Let's draw the rest of her left arm and her left hand. It looks like she's waving at us, Artie.
Yeah.
Let's draw her right arm in more of a downwards position. Let's add the right and the left sides of her body.
Isn't this great, Mikey?
Best day of my life.
Well, Mikey, I don't really think it's the best day of your life, but I'm having a lot of fun, so it's certainly a fun day. Shall we say that? Now, Artie, let's give our fairy a skirt. we're going to draw 4 petal shapes, like petals on a flower. She seems very happy that you're giving her such a pretty skirt. You want a dance break? Okay, come on then.
He's really in time to the music. Are you dancing, little artist?
I simply have to jump for joy. Oh, 10.
Oh, okay.
You know what? Let's add another petal to the skirt, just to make it look a little bit more full. Okay, let's give her some legs. First we'll draw the right leg. She's kicking her leg back as if she's jumping in the air or possibly flying. That's the first leg done. Now time for the second leg, her left leg. You're really concentrating, Artie. Let's give her a wand. That's right, let's draw a wand in her left hand. All the best wands have a star on the end. Great job, Artie. Now, because she's a tooth fairy, should we draw a big tooth alongside her?
Yeah.
Teeth are really funny shapes. The top part that we see in our mouth is sort of bulbous, and then below that are 2 sticky down pieces called the roots. The roots are actually stuck down inside of our gums, and we don't see them unless, of course, one of our teeth falls out.
Man, this is creative.
Artie is so talented.
Let's give our tooth a little face.
A face?
Yes, why not? It's art. We can do anything we want as long as we can imagine it. If we imagine a tooth with a face, we can draw it. Ooh, Artie, I had a really funny idea. Let's draw a mouth on our tooth, and let's show the mouth wide open, and let's put some teeth in the mouth of the tooth.
Funny.
Our tooth has a lovely, teethy smile. Let's show all his separate teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teeth. Now there's something missing, Artie. Oh yes, of course, wings. All fairies have wings. 2 big, fluttering wings. You've finished? Well, Artie, she came out so good. I can't wait to see her coloured in. Great work.
It's coloring time.
finished, Artie. Wow, she came out so good. I love her blue dress, and I especially like her yellow golden blonde hair. She's such a pretty tooth fairy. Wonderful work, Artie. Great job.
Goodbye, Artie.
See you later, Artie.
Thanks for watching, little artists. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.